Are you diagnosed with high blood pressure and worried about taking medication to bring your numbers down? Nearly half of adults in the United States have hypertension, and approximately 1 in 5 adults with hypertension are taking medication for it. But do you know? High blood pressure can be controlled to a great extent by using home remedies in a healthy lifestyle. Today, we will share 5 best natural remedies to lower your blood pressure and keep it down naturally. Watch till the end and share with your loved ones. How to lower blood pressure fast. Take a warm bath. Stay in your shower or bath for at least 15 minutes and enjoy the warm water. This can also help reduce muscle tension. Do a breathing exercise. Take a deep breath from your core, hold your breath for about 2 seconds, then slowly exhale. Pause for a few moments and repeat. Eat dark chocolate. Eat some dark chocolate that contains at least 60 to 70% cacao. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that help dilate or widen the blood vessels, thus lower the blood pressure and inflammation. Drink lemon water. Citrus fruits, including grapefruit, oranges, and lemons, are the best remedies for hypertension. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that have powerful blood pressure lowering effects. Lemon contains high amounts of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant, removing free radicals from the body and make the blood vessels soft and flexible. Take 1 cup or 200 milliliters cold water. Add the juice of half of a lemon, stir and drink. Drink fruit smoothie. Fruits are packed with polyphenols, natural plant compounds that can reduce the risk of stroke, heart conditions, and diabetes, as well as improving blood pressure, insulin resistance, and systemic inflammation. Take 1/2 cup of blueberries or strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened soy milk. Blend them and drink. Eat tamarind. Tamarind is a tropical fruit that is great for your heart because it lowers blood cholesterol and keep your heart safe from diseases. The potassium content in tamarind helps lower blood pressure, while the vitamin C in it neutralizes harmful free radicals. You can eat the pulp raw, or you can add it to a number of dishes and drinks as a sweet and sour component. Hope you liked this video. So, are you suffering from any unpleasant situation? Share your problem with us in the comments section below. We will provide the best, effective, and simple solution of your problem. Stay with Natural Cure Secret, stay healthy.